Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to get set up and going with Loom so you can make a video either for Meet the Teacher Night or for students later on in your class. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go to self-service and install the Loom app, so L-O-O-M, not Zoom, Loom. And then once you do, you're going to get this fun little icon here which looks like a circle with some, well, maybe it's a flower, I don't quite know. But when you click on it, all of a sudden you'll notice that your picture pops up in the bottom left corner. And then you'll have a little mini control panel here off to the side, and then this big red button that says start recording. So you start the recording. It's going to count down in a second. 3, 2, 1. All right, so now Loom is recording my screen. Okay, so I can do whatever I want. Whatever I see on my screen is what's going to be recorded on Loom. Now, after you do your little Loom video and you're done, there's this little stop button over on the left-hand side, and that's where I can stop my Loom recording. All right, I can also do some other fun stuff that you can play around with on your own. I hit stop, and it's going to automatically open up a Loom website and upload my video there. So here is my Loom video. All right, so I made it. I did my little PowerPoint presentation, whatever it is, and here's my video. Now, if I didn't like anything, I can go in here and I can trim some of it, and I can do some basic editing, but not much past that. The biggest thing here is you'll notice this big blue button that says copy link. Well, if I click that, it's going to copy the link. And then I can post that to my Google Classroom if I want students to see it. I can send it off in an email if I need us parents to see it. I can do whatever I want with this link at this point. So it's nice and easy. When I get to make the video, I just go to Loom. I hit the bright red start button. I hit the stop button when I'm done. And then it's going to automatically open up a web page. I click copy link and I paste it wherever I need to go. Now, if you want to know about the preferences, if you want to know more about editing your video, there's a lot that Loom can do, but we have a whole nother video for all of that. This is just a quick basic video on how to get started with Loom, how to make a very easy video with it, and how to share it out. So hopefully that went well for you. Hopefully you kind of understand what to do, and happy Looming. Bye.